Welcome to the ultimate hub for learning. Whether you're a student, professional, or curious mind, you've found the right place. This is Think Tank Online Learning, where we unlock the secrets of mathematics, physics, engineering, programming, business, and finance all in one place.
From algebra to calculus, geometry to statistics, each concept is broken down in easy-to-follow lessons.
Need help with engineering drawing? Learn to master key topics like isometric views, orthographic projections, sectioning, assembly drawings, and tangency. We simplify these essential skills to make sure you're ready to draft, design, and visualize like a pro.
Discover the laws that govern the universe through physics. From Newton's laws to quantum mechanics, we explore the principles behind motion, energy, and the mysteries of space. Learn to see the world through the lens of science.
For all the aspiring engineers and designers, dive into CAD software like SolidWorks and AutoCAD. Whether it's 3D modeling and product design, we guide you step by step to bring your engineering ideas to life.
We've got resources for undergraduate programs, Cambridge, GATE, ZIMSEC, Matric, and many other global exam boards.
All you have to do is to take your phone, laptop or tablet and go to YouTube. Then search for Think Tank Online Learning. You are going to see a lot of videos. Now go to the playlist section and choose your preferred playlists. After that, search for AASSA concepts. This channel has animations. Animations make the impossible possible. They simplify complex concepts in fields like math, physics, and engineering, turning abstract ideas into clear, visual explanations that are easy to follow.
Got a question? We are here for you. With 24/7 comment replies, you'll never be stuck. Get a detailed response when you need it most.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe to Think Tank Online Learning and start your journey to mastering the world of knowledge with fresh content every week.